Speak English. Beginner tenses. Singular subject.
Don't say I runs. Say I run. Don't say you runs. Say you run. Don't say he run. Say he runs. Don't say I place. Say I play. Don't say you place. Say you play. Don't say she play. Say she plays. Don't say I eats. Say I eat. Don't say you eats. Say you eat. Don't say the dog eat. Say the dog eats. Don't say I reads. Say I read. Don't say you reads. Say you read. Don't say she read. Say she reads. Don't say I sings. Say I sing. Don't say you sings. Say you sing. Don't say she sing. Say she sings. Don't say I writes. Say I write. Don't say you writes. Say you write. Don't say it write. Say it writes. Don't say I watches. Say I watch. Don't say you watches. Say you watch. Don't say he watch. Say he watches. Don't say I studies. Say I study. Don't say you studies. Say you study. Don't say she study. Say she studies. Don't say I builds. Say I build. Don't say you builds. Say you build. Don't say the robot build. Say the robot builds. Don't say I dances. Say I dance. Don't say you dances. Say you dance. Don't say he dance. Say he dances.